Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So we are from Group T, and we're going to do a presentation about reflective essay on English language learning project. Okay, the member of the group, the first is Lupna Cahya Milati, and then me, Gina Naila Putri Mahmuda, and Sofia Nurmalasari, and the last is Intan Kurniasuti. Okay, the first is introduction. English is essential in the globalization era and is part of the junior high school curriculum in Indonesia. This project focuses on grade 7 learners using the Communicative Language Teaching (CLT) method. CLT shifts the focus from grammar rules to communication and interaction. The lesson were designed around everyday contextual topics such as self-introduction, family, routines, hobbies, and directions to make learning meaningful and relevant for students. And then is lesson plan summary. The lesson series consists of 16 meetings with each session integrating speaking, listening, reading, and writing skill through instructive tasks. The key features, the first is topic. It has identity, family, hobbies, and places. And an approach is CLT with support from task-based learning TBL and project-based learning PBL. And then activities, it has role plays, group games, surveys, project. And the last is material. We're using flashcard, videos, comics, and posters. And the next will be presented by Sophia.
And assemble classroom activities, self-introductions and greetings, name games and role-play dialogues. The next one is describing people, picture-based guessing games. Next one is family topics, making family trees and comic strips. And the next daily routines, sequencing cards and poster projects. Next one is hobbies, class surface and visual min maps, place and directions, map tests and directional role plays. So next one is emotional and review, emoji flashcard and final assessment. Implementation highlights. Case success from the implementation include the first is students become more confident in speaking and expressing themselves. So the next one is the guests who game and hobbies poster project were highly engaging. The next one is visual tools such as flashcard and maps supported comprehension. So the last one is group and pair tests encourage shy students to participate.
Okay, classroom observation and teacher feedback. From classroom observation, students were enthusiastic, especially during games. Some struggle with writing tasks and become passive, and the last is visual aids help comprehension and vocabulary retention. From teacher interview, CLT increase student motivation, and common issues include limited vocabulary, speaking anxiety, and time constraints. Data analysis and student outcomes. The first is oral fluency improved significantly, especially in readings, description, and expressing preference. Second is writing development was lower, indicating a need for scaffolding. The third is group and pair work, proof effective for vocabulary reinforcement. The last is student need extra help with pronunciation and vocabulary range. For the challenge and solution, the first challenge is shyness. The solution is peer and pairing, and supportive group settings. The second challenge is vocabulary gaps. The solution is for visual aids, bilingual glossaries, and word walls. The last challenge is mixed proficiency. The solution is differentiated tests and level materials. The next slide will be presented by Intan.
Okay, the next is evaluation results. Over 80% of students met the learning objectives. The next is students spoke confidently. The first is introduce themselves and others. The next is describe people, routines, and hobbies. The last is express basic emotion and give direction. Student enjoyment and participation were consistently high, especially during interactive and visual-based tasks. The next is conclusion and recommendation. For conclusion, the CLT approach was effective, especially in improving speaking skills. Activities were fun, engaging, and practical. Visual and group-based tasks were essential for success. For recommendation, the first is use real-life topics and visual materials. The next is incorporate technology like videos and quizzes. The next is scaffold tasks for different levels. The last is provide pre and post test and allow student reflection through journal.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for listening our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.